I want to acknowledge the efforts of the Minister for Justice and success to date in bringing forward modernising legislation for family law. And in particular, I want to draw to our attention the urgency of the case, whereby children, their mothers and indeed some fathers have been deprived of access to one another for considerable periods and sometimes for a lifetime, on the basis of evidence provided by so-called or self-appointed experts in the family law situation. The issue now remains to deal with the situation as and from now, in bringing the legislation quickly before the House, and also dealing with the residue whereby cases have already been cleared and children are condemned forever, and how to repeal those cases.
Thank you, Deputy Durkan.
Or appeal them.
Minister Mc Entee.
Thank you, Deputy. I know this is something you're very passionate about, as am I, and that's why I've brought forward the Family Court Bill, which is being worked on at the moment, but also the Family Justice Strategy. The Family Court Bill will ensure that we have specific courts dealing with just family law, obviously ensuring that we can make sure that we have the right structure and system and setting in place to support families, but also that we can work through the huge numbers and volumes of people that need to access the courts. Secondly, then, the Family Justice Strategy has quite a number of recommendations, but one of them is to review the expert reports and those who provide them to the courts. There are no restrictions in place at the moment, so we need to make sure that we understand how these reports are provided and who provides them, and we need guidance for that. So I've asked for that to be done as a matter of urgency.
Thank you very much, Minister.